Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Sheh. This channel is all about home and living. Today I just wanted to give a refresh to our living room. The arrangement of the dining table and our couch was a bit too narrow. It was always traffic around when we are hosting guests. So I thought of changing the furniture pieces here and there to give some space for the decor and furniture to breathe and not to look so cluttered. I hope you would enjoy this video and get some inspiration, motivation to refresh your living room as well. Alright friends, this is how our living room currently looks. It's a bit narrow along with the couch and dining area. First my idea was to remove one of the decorating shelf and keeping only one. So I arranged with all the decorations. Since I want to share all the mistakes and my tryouts in this process, I'm sharing this process as well, but in the end it didn't work out well because one shelf was not enough to that place. While I was keeping the shelf aside, I started to clean and make the place a bit tidy before planning to do my next step. Hope friends, this will give you a motivation for your refresh of the living room as well. We don't have to go to shop to buy all the new decoration to refresh a space, but simply changing the placement of the furniture will right away give a renewed look. And while I was cleaning, my toddler took a permanent marker and was writing all around the place. I never realized. Then I wiped and thoroughly wiped it to get rid of the mark. Still it's there, but that's it. That's like it is when you have a toddler in your home. And my next step was to little bit move the dining table towards the wall side and to give some room for all the chairs and the table to breathe. After moving the dining table, I realized this shelf is not fitting on that corner. So I want to add this picture which was already on the top of our fireplace. And I was measuring, I googled it, it said that it should be 57 inches from the ground level till the middle of the picture. So I measured and nailed 2 nails on the wall and then hang the picture. Whenever I change something in our living room or living space or all around the home, go behind and little bit look how it looks, and I go to other sides and check how it is looking from every corner and try to adjust the things. And later was to tackle the windowsill. Since I removed the decorating shelves around there, it was looking so empty, so I wanted to fill this space with some vases I had already and try to give some height to the space. And this beautiful flower arrangement was a gift from my husband last week, and we had a lovely date night, and I wanted to incorporate that as well in the windowsill. I was simply refreshing and renewing the space without buying any new stuff. I arranged the fireplace with the decorations I had already, but on top I felt like it's empty. So I'm on a hunt of a mirror or something else that could fit to the space. When you have any idea, I would like to read all your comments and what you would do on top of a fake fireplace. And the other side was there was this little cupboard where I kept all my toddler's clothes. Then I thought this is not fitting in the living room, so I took this cupboard back to his bedroom and wanted to bring this decorating shelf to this corner. And I started decorating each shelf with the decorations I already had. On top of the shelf, I didn't want to add any height because on the other side of the fireplace, it doesn't have so much height, so I wanted to balance the height accordingly. And since I only add one shelf to this corner, I felt like it's a bit empty. So I added this eucalyptus tree which I DIY on my own. I'm not so fully happy and satisfied with the tree, but for now it works perfect. Alright friends, in the other side of the living room there is a shelf. We have to add that because to hold the router, but that's the only need for the moment. Maybe in future I will only add a wall shelf and just keep the router and remove the whole shelf because it's also so narrow in between the couch. And I wanted to hide these wires so it doesn't look so cluttered from the outside. And using the tapes were the only budget-friendly option. After that process, there were a lot to clean around the living room, so I cleaned and put all the toys which were belonging to my son. I kept it in his bedroom and then more cleaning. I did make some slight changes in the living room. For example, kept this beautiful vase with the flowers as the centerpiece of the dining table and adding a small olive tree on a side table on the corner of our living room, etc. I'm happy to see how the living room turned now. For the moment it's looking beautiful, and it would be functional because when we are hosting the guests it won't be super traffic. We would have some space that we could walk around the table and also relax in the couch as well. And still it's not autumn for us, so still it's summer, but sometimes it's raining. But I arranged the living room as a late summer makeover as well. Thank you so much, friends, for taking your time to watch my video. I hope you would like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till I meet you again, bye bye.